I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Accord battery. First, gather your tools: a 10 mm wrench, battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Always ensure your car is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. Safety is paramount, so wear safety glasses and gloves to protect against battery acid. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Start by locating the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Use your 10 mm wrench to loosen the nut on this terminal. Always remove the negative cable first. This crucial step prevents accidental electrical shorts and ensures your safety during the process. Next, disconnect the positive terminal, identified by a plus sign and a red cable. After both cables are off, remove the battery hold-down clamp which secures the battery in place. Carefully lift out the old battery, remembering it can be heavy. Then, gently lower the new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits securely. To finish, secure the new battery with the hold-down clamp. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, tightening both nuts firmly with your 10 mm wrench. Double-check all connections to ensure they are snug. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your car and home sparkling clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.